Camera's good? Starter is good? All right. Drivers ready. Watch the light. We are elimination racing now. Del Scorcho gets it, so we have Bigfoot 50. Okay, drivers ready? Watch the light. Preliminary bracket here to get to the final 32 of them. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Nice race, guys. That's Calder who gets the win in Flagfoot. Calder beats Dad. All right. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Okay, drivers ready. Watch the light. It is slick out there right now with these trucks. We keep going. We keep with it. Emily with the win. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Watch the light. Send them. Aaron, send them. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Drivers ready. Watch the light. All right, drivers ready? Watch the light. Nice work. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Drivers ready? Watch the light. That's a smooth run by Dr. Death. Scott Harp in the number 1. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Nice smooth run there by Kraken. All right, next couple out, guys. We have noise. All right. Drivers ready? Watch the light. That is a BIGFOOT 50 win. Colbert out of retirement for an event. All right, drivers ready. Watch the light. Heads up. Watch the light.
Like that. We'll figure that out in a second.
All right, sorry, we'll figure out something here in a second with the bracket. Too many BIGFOOT trucks. All right, drivers ready? Watch the light. And Monster Energy Chaos. All right, drivers ready? Watch the light. Swap. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Swamp Rat gets it. Watch the light. All right, drivers ready. Watch the light. Done through that round. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Shake me having a choice. Drivers ready? Watch the light. That is a quick pass. We're not timing these runs, but that would be one of the quickest of the day. Drivers ready. Watch the light. He kept it straight. Didn't know if it would go off. That was a nice run. Shake me. All right, drivers ready. Watch the light. John Arnold. Yes, as opposed to the others. All right, drivers ready? Watch the light. Well, he got the win. Nice job. All right, drivers ready? Watch the light. Dr. Death with a really quick run there. He's keeping it. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Ooh.
GG.
Drivers ready? Watch the light.
That turned out so good.
Okay, drivers ready? Watch the light. That's a nice run there by Ron Judd. All right, Red Rocket. All right, drivers. Let's see. Sorry, I couldn't see Jason there. Drivers ready? Watch the light. All right, drivers ready? Watch the light. Josh keeping it really smooth here. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Very nice run here. Watch the light. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Garrett with the win, LVC. All right. Driver's up there. All right. Driver's ready. Watch the light. All right. Driver's ready. Watch the light. Josh keeps it alive, so we have the top 4 qualifiers are all alive here. All right. Dr. Death, you guys are out there. Driver's ready. Watch the light. That is a fast race right there. Nice job, guys. Dr. Death. All right, Ron. Let's see Ron and Josh out there. A 2 versus 3 matchup. Driver's ready. Watch the light. Nice run there, guys. All right. All right, guys. Driver's ready. Watch the light. Nice run there. Scott laying it down. Dr. Death.